Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today I'm finally changing the black deck lid on my 911 and 996. When I bought the car it was already on there and it was one of the things I really didn't like about the car. So I'm going to change it today. In the scenic over there we have a Arctic silver one and we have a black one. So I'll go and grab them out now and we'll take a look at them. So here they are. So this is the Arctic silver one. This is the one we are going to be replacing with the black one there. We also have this one. Basically what happened is we met this lovely guy at a car show and I was saying to him how I want to change the black one back to Arctic silver, and he said well he's got some, he don't need them anymore and he's happy to just give them me. And so I'm really grateful. If you're watching this video, thank you very much, because it will just transform the look of the car. It's something as small as that and it will really just transform the look. I haven't replaced one of these before, so this is going to be a learning curve for me as well. But this one, what I've decided to do with this one is we're going to paint him up as probably the German flag, and when we take the car to Stuttgart we'll put this deck lid on, something different, something a bit of fun. So yeah, I'll set up, get some tools ready, and let's see how we replace the deck lid. So you can see here we have 1, 2, if I move camera around, we have 3 and 4. Now I just looked at the deck lid we're putting on here, and it actually comes with the plastic trim for the insert for the rear brake light. But because this one's already on here, I'm just gonna swap the actual deck lid, not the old cover as well, because it looks like the wires have been cut on that one. So hopefully it should just unclip. So we got to remove these little plastic inserts here. And there should be a Allen key. I'm sure everyone has used one of these. These are really handy, especially when you're building models. I've used them a lot over the years. I was building different models and sorts. Oh, this one's in there. I'm getting there. There we go. Now, in here, there is a. There we go. Now we'll release them. And if we release all 4 of these, I think they're just on sliders then. Also, we now have stickers for my channel, so if you're interested in one of these stickers to help support me and my cars and what I'm trying to do with my cars, yeah, drop me a comment and I'll show you how you can get one of our new stickers. Right, I've released all 4 bolts. They all come out pretty easy. I've just done the same to the new wing, because like I said, the plastic surrounding still on that one, and they needed a bit of persuasion, WD-40 and all that. But let's not lose that, let's put that in my pocket. So now you should clip from the side and just pull forward like that, and there we go. That was easy. So yeah, now all I gotta do is put the new one on. So here it is. It's not the cleanest, but what I'll do is pull them on and then clean them. But it should be quite straightforward. So what I've done is I've put the screws ready here, all 4 of them, so I should be able to catch that. I might have to change the rear light at some point. It's looking a bit tatty, but we'll see. Also, it gives you a good insight to the fan and where the air sucks in, which is nice. But yeah, let's set the camera up and let's put this new deck lid on. Right, it should just slide in. Sure he's gone in all the way across, because there's a couple of things you've got to do to line them up. There we go, they're all in and they're all in. I think that's in. And then we just got to push them down. So, there we go. And yeah. Right, he's on there. Now, let's see if I can get these bolts back in. Well, there you go. It's on now. It looks, I'm a lot happier with that. So what I'm going to do now is give it a bit of a clean, and we'll put the wing down and see what it looks like. But yeah, it shouldn't have been changed to black. I do prefer that. That's quite nice. As the car would have come out of factory, I don't think none of them ever left the factory with black deck lids. And here is the old one. There's the black casing. Now, the only reason I didn't use that is because one of the wires were cut, and I think it's only to do with the rear brake light, but I didn't want to change it all and then realise, oh, I need that. So we've kept the original plastic. All I got to do now is put these back in, like so. Very easy. That probably took about 20 minutes to do. Not long at all. Probably do it faster now I know what I'm doing. The only other thing I probably want to do now is change the rubber underneath, which I did mention in a previous video. But anyway, let's clean it up and yeah, see how it looks. Oh yes, that is so much better. Yeah, it's definitely the same colour. I think it's just the light hitting it differently, like it does with the rest of the car. But I gave it a wipe over, used some of my turtle wax, and it still needs a good clean, but it's just to get all the dirt off it really. There's a bit of dirt on it. There was actually a slug in one of the corners down here, a little slug. So it still needs a good old clean. But yeah, there we go. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. That's come out really nice. It really does look different, like a different colour on camera, but no, it is the right colour. He's definitely not sticking up too much. He might need some the little clips that hold it in place. I might have to tighten them up a bit more. He looks a little bit higher on this side, but no, that's definitely better than the black wing. When I first saw the car to buy it, I saw the black wing on it, and it's the only thing that put me off really. But I knew if I did buy the car, it's easy to change. And yeah, thanks to us going to a car show and meeting someone, really great chap, and he was talking to us and he said how he got one of these wings that he doesn't need anymore. It's just taking up space. So yeah, thank you very much. And it's transformed the car. It just looks completely different now. So I'm really pleased with how that looks. It's no longer got a bit of black on it. It's Arctic silver throughout. The reason a lot of people ask me why is it black, and I say I didn't do it. The previous owner, he had a 993, and I was told because he had a 993 with a black wing, he had this with the same wing as well, so I had them parked side by side with the black wing. But no, I'm not a fan of it. I got it back to Arctic Silver. It looks great. There is a few, I'm just making sure the lines are okay. It does look okay, actually. It does. It's probably just me, but I will have a look at that corner again, but we'll take it for a drive one day. I think we've got a show Saturday, and we'll see how that goes. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more on the 911, please let me know. I do have a special video coming up dedicated to the interior, because the one-off interior in this car. It's getting quite windy now. I think we're expecting a storm in about 2 hours. So I'm going to tidy up, get packed away, and I'll see you again very soon with more videos. Please remember to hit that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye for now.